dresses that I'm about to present today. Ladies, I am that auntie, okay? Some of you know I am 48 years old, so I am that your auntie that will see you in this dress at the church. I will go like, girl, you look fabulous. I love that dress on you. That's the kind of auntie I am. And for those of you that are watching my video that you're older than me, with due respect, when I see you in these dresses, I will go like, auntie, ma'am, you rock that dress. You look so gorgeous, ma'am. That's how I'm going to compliment you. The reason why I'm saying this is because these dresses are wedding guest dresses that I think they are very appropriate. But some of our ladies, our aunties, you know, they will go like, why are you wearing that to the church? Don't worry, ladies, I got you covered. I have something for you that you can put on top of it just to avoid those aunties that will give you that look like, really, she's going to wear that in the church. I do have something for you to just cover that moment up, and when you get out of the church to the reception, you can just be free as a bird and be yourself. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. For today's video, it's all about these gorgeous and beautiful dresses from STHQ's website. Oh Lord, I love those dresses I'm about to present today. You are going to love them. They are appropriate. I would say you can use them for this summertime. You know, this is the wedding season. The reason why I'm going to recommend them as the wedding guest outfit is because they fit into the theme of this season, which is the wedding season. All right, ladies, you can actually wear these dresses to any occasion of your choice, but I'm just recommending them as a wedding guest dresses. All right, before we jump right into today's video, please, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time and you find my content informative, entertaining, or just educative, whichever way you see it, if you like it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I have a new video. And please, ladies, do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video, and without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Straight from the bag. So here is the dress, ladies. This is called the Sweetheart neckline cinched waist A-line dress. This is a beautiful dress. You can see the dress right here. We have this lace trim all the way from the front round to the back right there, and we have this mesh net right here on this side. Also, we have this it has the adjustable strap. I love the idea of that adjustable strap because you can easily adjust it to fit your shoulder length. Sometimes when you have this adjustable strap and it's not, when you have a strap rather and it's not adjustable, there's probability that it's not going to fit. All right, you're going to be struggling with it kind of, but this is amazing that you can really adjust it right here. You see it right there. And another thing I love about it, it's padded, so you don't have to worry. Even if you don't wear bra, you will be good to go, except you want to wear bra. In this case, you will wear a strapless bra, of course. All right, it's really beautiful. And this is the cinched part of it. All right, when it says cinched A-line dress, this place is going to accentuate your waist. You're going to see it when I try it on. Also, we have under here, we have a tutu. I don't know if I pronounce it right. You all see this mesh material. This is what is going to give you that silhouette, very feminine look when you put this dress on. Also, another advantage, what I love about this dress, they line it from the top inside like so. They line it all the way down, so there is no see-through at all. The line is all the way down. It is well tailored, well made. They made this dress so beautiful, and they have it in two colors. Pardon me, two colors. They have it in black. Also, they have it in the pink, which is the one I'm showing you. The sizes range from extra small to extra large. I'll put my discount code on the screen, also in the description box, if you want to shop from this website.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say.
Ladies, remember at the beginning of this video I made mention of when those auntie will give you that look. Now is she going to wear that in the church for a wedding? No, you know, you can just cover it up just to avoid those kind of scenario. If you are the type that you don't care, then you might as well rock it like that. All right, this is what I would recommend. Just find something. It could even be just a scarf to put on top, just to cover yourself a little bit up at the church, and when you are at the reception, you do what? You let it go. Yeah, so that's my recommendation. Here is the second one, right from the back. So this is the front of the dress. Let me show you the back. First of all, this is the back. It has a zipper on the side this way. Is the navy color, you can see. And we're about to get to the real detailing of the dress, the reason why I chose it. The ruffles are 2 layers, one at the bottom and one on the top, and you can see it on the side like this. You all will not be able to see the beauty right now, but I'm going to put it on, of course, for you all to see. I just wanted to show you the detailing, and it's lined from the upper part, and it's top somewhere. It's going to be below my, when I put it on, the way I'm looking at it is going to stop at my bottom area, because you're going to see the open slits, which you're going to be able to see your leg, one of your leg, of course, through it.
Damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm.
And here we go again. If that auntie is going to give you that look in the church, this is just a scarf I just pop on top of this dress. I own this in the closet, so it actually goes with the color of the clothes. All right, so I decided to use this, and look at that. It's just for you to get through the church so that peace can reign, because of that auntie giving you that look. That is she gonna come into church looking like that? All right, ladies, thank you all so much for watching. If you watch up until this time, you're a raw girl. Thank you all so much. Please don't forget to like this video, and please do share this video with families and friends. You never can tell, they might find it informative, entertaining, or educative. And thank you STHQs for partnering with me on this video, and please use my discount code in the description box to shop on STHQs website. And I will see you all until next time, by the grace of God. Bye for now.